Hello friends, how are you? You have probably seen countless videos of internet sensations, magazine stories, or movie characters. I mean, how many of those billionaires, top real estate investors you have met personally? So comment below and let me know. That will clarify two things for me. One thing, I would know that whether I'm living into the real world or real world. Secondly, it will tell me that me and you are in the same boat, right? But in fact, the reality is totally different. I live in a world where most people work day and night and struggles to meet their ends. They just own one house, a car, and they support a small family. This is the world where I'm living. Both partners have to work not for luxury but to meet the ends. Paying off a single home before retirement is the ultimate goal, and many people have just to survive until the old age pension comes. So this is the world where I live in. I don't know if you live in a different world. People are not left with much after paying home insurances, medical insurances, home installments, car installments, and so many other things. And on top of that, recently grocery has also become a major pain. So if there is not much in the pocket left after those expenses, how someone can build wealth? Practically, no. I don't know any of the billionaires. If I have seen them or heard them, I have seen them from the far off distance, like in movies or in magazines. So who are these people who become ultra rich? How do they get there? The answer is simple. Money makes money. I heard this since childhood. You might have also heard, but I never took it seriously. I thought smart work and hard work can really shine my future, can make me an investor. When I was growing up, my parents used to tell me hard work is the key of success. I went into school, university, then I came to know smart work is the key of success. If this has happened with you as well, that means we are on the same boat, right? We both want to become real estate investors or any kind of investors. The strategy for all kind of investors would be the same. Before I reveal the strategies for wealth creation, please like, hit and subscribe this video. And stay tuned, we are going to talk about few strategies in the video. Coming to hard work versus smart work. Do any of these strategies work in the way of wealth creation? Here is the truth. Neither of them alone can make you wealthy. They have to come together. And even if they come together, they are not enough. There are still few things which you need to become wealthy. Smart work and hard work are really two wonderful tools which can create a difference between you and your peers, your neighbors. They can still put you ahead. Like you can own a BMW and your friend is still owning a Mazda. You can own double-story house, but your friend would have a single-story house. But after 30 years of hard work, if you realize that the only difference between you, your neighbor, and your friend is just like you both have houses, you both have cars, but just slightly bigger, a slightly higher brand. Does that much of sacrifices of your enjoyment really work? I don't. So where is the problem? The problem is in our approach, how we are approaching the problem. The problem is we don't have money. Solution is we want money. But how? That how thing is the approach. Our approach from beginning has been wrong. As I told you before, like we start thinking, okay, hard work and smart work can change the things. No, that they alone cannot change the thing. There is something else as well. Like what we have been doing all of my life. I am 40 years old now. What I did, I worked hard, got tired, rested, worked hard again, rested, worked hard again, rested. And when I look back into the past, all those 40 years lie behind my back. And what I have, it's not worth it. And because of that, sometimes we are so frustrated that we try to push the same thing and same strategies of hard work and smart work onto our kids as well. But believe me, there is another one. So there are so many myths and misconceptions about real estate investing on internet which you should avoid. So if you have stayed with me until so far, that means you are really serious about wealth creation. So first I want to tell you few of the scams which are going around in the market. So there are many videos which will make false claims, fake records and things in front of you just to get likes and views and subscribers. Internet is full of fake promises, fake facts. So you have to be cautious and do your own maths as well. For example, first lie, you own 10 properties in 10 years and then live financially free. This is a joke. Second thing, join my webinar to learn the tricks of real estate. Another lie. I'll tell you why in some other videos because this video gets really long. And the third biggest lie, pay for my mentorship and I'll make you rich. Would any rich will come to you and will make you rich? I have not ever met any rich which wants to make me as well rich and wants me to sit alongside him. I have not met anyone. If you have met, let me know. They will only tell you the partial truth. For example, they will give you numerous benefits of negative gearing, but they will never tell you what is your property never became positive. They will tell you the benefits of refinancing, but they will never tell tell you complications of CGT. Now I'll tell you my personal journey and why I started this channel. I moved to Australia 8 years before, and now I have several properties which I own, and I'm preparing for my fourth one. So I'm not a big investor. I'm just a genuine guy like you. Maybe I have three, maybe you would have two, or your friend would have one. So I'm not that far from you. I'm very close to you. So I'm preparing for my fourth one. I was doing a deep research. So I thought, let's share this idea and let's other also take benefit of it if they can. Because as a small investor, I have only little amount, and if that little amount goes into some trap, then I'm busted for entire of my life. I have busted the future of my next generation as well. So one wrong decision can put my future generation into danger as well. So I started this channel not for subscribers, for real lifelong friends. Because in school I had friends, but school was off, friends are also off. Only few friends I talk to sometimes. But with this channel, I can guarantee that the friends I will make, they would be for lifetime, because they would have so many questions. They would have questions for their real life. So I'm happy to share my research with you guys. Any question, just let me know. Any question, right? That's how we make a bomb for lifelong. So 3 things I want to tell you. I'm not going to sell you anything. I would not be asking money for you to have my mentorship. I'm not promising you overnight success. Take it as a long term. Now, if you have really come to the end of this video, I want to give you a homework to test that really interested, or you just came on internet and this video came in front of you, you watch. The question is, if you save $2,000 every month, how long it would take you to enter into a 2x1 flat, which is worth a $500,000 in the current market. The current market has a fire already. How long you will take to have a deposit of 20% for that flat? Come on, you have to give me the answers in the comment. Okay, and see you in the next video. Bye.